This display looks a bit wrong. So this is a how-to guide on how to change the brightness and the contrast settings for the display on your Electrolux Time Manager washing machine from the Insight range. Press Options. Scroll up or down. Settings. Press OK. Scroll down to Brightness. Press OK. Press the up and down arrows. You have minimum 0 and we'll go all the way up to 9. Then press OK when you're happy. Same with contrast. The maximum is 9 and you can scroll all the way down to 0. For a happy balance, you're best having the contrast at 0 and having the brightness sort of not too bright but not too dim either. You want it so you've got a bit of brightness, backlight, so you can see everything quite clearly, but not so bright that it's wasting energy or it's too much glare in your eyes. So there we are. That is a simple how-to on how to set the contrast, brightness settings on your Electrolux washing machine. Press back and back, everything's saved. Everything is set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have found this video helpful.